Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 990. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 990 is losing suction while cleaning, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to blockages in the airways or a faulty motor. If left unaddressed, it can lead to reduced cleaning efficiency and potential damage to the device. So, let's get started on fixing it. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, a soft cloth, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. To open the unit safely, locate the screws on the underside of the vacuum and carefully remove them using your screwdriver. Take your time, as applying too much force can strip the screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off, exposing the internal components. The motor is typically located near the suction inlet. To find it, look for the component that connects directly to the fan assembly. You may need to disconnect a few wires. Remember to take a photo or jot down where each wire connects for reassembly later. To extract the faulty motor, unscrew it from its mount using the appropriate screwdriver. Apply gentle pressure when lifting it out, be cautious not to damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have removed the old motor, take your new replacement and carefully position it in the same spot. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring it is tightly in place. Reconnect the wires according to your notes or photo, making sure they're secure but not overly tight to avoid damage. With everything back in place, reattach the cover of the vacuum, ensuring it fits snugly. Finally, replace the screws you initially removed to secure the device. Test your Conga 990 to see if the suction has improved. If it's still not working as expected, it may be time to consult a professional. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the suction path. Avoid using the vacuum on excessively dusty surfaces without regular maintenance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.